GBPUSD. Let's start with our weekly time frame on our GBPUSD. First of all, we all can see the full trend. By the way, it is actually a bearish move, a downward trend. We all can see the higher highs and higher lows on our lower highs and lower lows. We all can see on our weekly time frame, right? So this was actually a pullback area here, and we all predicted this our move when our GBPUSD will be dropping, which actually did. Secondly, our GBPUSD is below our 10-period moving average. The line we can see here is our 10-period moving average. So once our price is below 10-period moving average, it is actually a bearish move. So that is it on our weekly time frame. GBPUSD bearish move. Daily time frame, by the way, if you all can see it of a recent, let's start of a recent. When our GBPUSD dropped to this area, we saw a retracement level here. We saw another impulse move. Now we are in correction here, and we are expecting another impulse move again, which we actually got on our GBPUSD. We were actually expecting an impulse move, and we actually got it on our GBPUSD. So that is still a bearish move. We should be considering to look for a short on our GBPUSD. Two is that price is still below the 10-period moving average. It has not broken above it. It is still below it and far away from it. So that is reason number two. We are still bearish and we should consider shorting it. So to actually enter this trade and see where our price will be moving is that we all can see that once our price came to this level here, right, we saw our price rally up to hit this level, and now our price has rolled down to this level, but we are starting to see that our price is starting to roll up again. So our price actually roll up. So if in case our price will actually give us the bullish move, I'm not saying we might be having a bullish move, but if in case the price give us the bullish move, then I bet it with you that we would have it to around 1.16900. So once we have that bullish move to 1.16900, then we will have another huge impulse move downward on our GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, by the way, we are still aiming to go short on our GBPUSD. We are still aiming to short it, but if in case it actually rallies up, in case we take out some some traders and everything, then we should see it rally up to about 1.16900, then we'll get another drop. And same thing with our 1 hour time frame. So see the same thing, by the way. We are starting to see this rally movement. So I'm seeing this rally movement as a correction, by the way. So personally, I'm seeing this I'm seeing it like this on my 1 hour time frame, an impulse move downward. You all can see the correction, this huge impulse move, and we are having another correction. So I believe the correction should be over by now, but if in case it is not over, then we should still sit rally up a little bit to about 1.16900. Exactly what we should be aiming for, at least to this level here, 1.16900, then a drop again on our GBPUSD.